I love Enzo. He knows I have a lot of respect for him because, as we know, the player he is, not just a player, he's a great person. I want him to stay, but I'm not gonna talk about that because if he stay here, it's gonna be massive for us. So yes, I just want the best for him, and for sure he gonna think, and he gonna do what he is best for him. Yeah, 100%. He is a strong player. He has a strong mentality. That's why he is world champion. So for sure he gonna manage the pressure, and he gonna continue how he finished. Yeah, as a player and as a person, he is top. He helped me a lot when I arrived in Brighton. He was so important for me, and now having here is it feels good. I'm so happy to have him. He gonna help us a lot for sure. To our strikers as well, for with his mentality. He has everything he knows, and yeah, he's gonna be so important for the Premier League, for everything. So yeah, I'm just so happy. Well, I think he's not gonna have too much pressure. Yeah, now I feel free, so playing or doing something because I think it's part of the journey to pass this moment. So now I'm so happy for being now a player who passed that. For sure, Rogers is gonna be massive for us. I'm so happy to have him as well because he's gonna bring his quality, everything to that. With his goals as well, assists, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to it.